shit, I'm not recording. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hopefully this is a vlog, because last week Friday I attempted to vlog, and me being weekanyo, things didn't go well as planned. I had a very great weekend that I could have vlogged, but child, I forgot to vlog. So today it's a different day, it's a different week. I hope this thing is focusing on me because I don't even see. So I just woke up a few hours ago. I filmed a video, took pictures, and I'm so proud of myself. So I'm gonna get ready to go to school and start my day. I'm actually attending at 1 o'clock. It's like 9, so I'm gonna leave home at 12:30. So yeah, thought I should just come in here and start this vlog because I'm hoping that I have a great weekend. I have a different shit, this thing is going off, a different weekend. What's happening here? So yeah, this is me starting a new vlog, and I hope you guys have a great Friday like I'm doing right now. Like I'm having a great day. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow after school, because I have a few assignments to do. So I'm going to be focusing more on school, but I also want to go somewhere this weekend with my family. So I'll see you guys during the weekend. Hey guys, welcome back and good morning. It's very early. It's currently focus. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can see it's like 20 past 8. I woke up a very long time ago, but I've just been in bed because I was uploading a video. If you are watching this video right now, it means the video has already uploaded, and please go and watch it. It's a true or false video, and yeah man, I was just like, people like to know. So yeah, I did upload the video and it's up already, so please go and watch it. Yeah man, before you even watch this one, just pause and, you know, why is it not focusing on me? So yeah, so today is a Saturday. I have assignments to do. It's focusing. This is very weird. I don't know what's happening with my camera, but so today is a Saturday, and I have assignments, 2 damn assignments that I need to do. I've already started them though, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I do in the morning. But today it's a different morning. I'm craving porridge. If you know porridge, motogo, lishili, that's what they say it back home, right? That's how they say it back home. It's like white porridge. So I'm just gonna cook it with you guys, show you all how I cook it, because yeah man. And I'm gonna add some rama. Okay, I add a lot of things, but it's very nice. So yeah, let's do. Doing my porridge, so let's do a taste test together. And this is how my porridge looks. It's very hot and so I'll see you guys during the day. Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. And I just bought groceries, and I was like, child, I've been trying to vlog and it's not working out, guys. I have deadlines, you know. So I'm just gonna show you guys my groceries. I decided to try the Checker 60 what so that I don't have to go to the shops, just so that everything comes to the apartment, because child, I don't have time. I've been on that little table, so might as well, you know. So yeah, and don't mind the boxes. I just bought a table, as you guys can see, so that I can study properly. So yeah, let me show you guys my groceries, because I have like so many bags here, like 4 bags. So let's do this little groceries. So I think this is the right place. Let me just, yeah. So this is my little, let me shift everything down. So this is the first one. Let's create a thumbnail. Oh, these are so heavy, but yeah. The first thing I got is these, I don't know what are these, kitchen towels. I also got a cling wrap. I also got an aluminium foil. Ooh. I bought croissants, 8 of them. I bought 2 chocolates. One is creamy white and the other one is biscuit. So yeah. This is so heavy. I got bread. I got some grapes, some strawberries, and some grapes again. These are white seedless grapes. Okay, let me shift these things. And I got some ounces sweet corn. Then I got some provolone meat. I got some meat. What's this? Some short rib. I got some plain yogurt. If you know, you know. I got this because I love chicken, guys. I got some fresh chicken, 16-piece drum and fries. What are these? Sweet baby peppers. Some slab chips. Some Viennas. These are my favorite. And I forgot to buy rolls. So I bought also some chicken wings. And some mince. Right. I bought some lemon juice. I hope it's focusing because I love my water with some lemon juice. I bought some yogurt. Okay. What's this one? Oh, I also bought some ice cream. We just put it in this. But I bought Wurst. Okay. I also bought some Wurst. And I got some 2 shoulder bacon packets. And I got some ginger shot. This is how it looks. Right, I'm gonna try this out tomorrow before class. And I also bought an energy shot, so I'm gonna take this before I go to school tomorrow. So I bought 2 of these. If I love them, I'm gonna buy more. So that's my little grocery haul. I'm gonna pack this away and start doing my assignments because I need to be supplementing this on Friday, and today it's a Tuesday, it's a Tuesday, and prepare to write a test. So might as well, you know, do the things that are supposed to be done. My battery is flashing, so I'm gonna charge my camera battery, and I'll see you guys when I do my assignments later on. Hey y'all, I'm so tired. What time is it? It's 22:09 and I'm exhausted. Period. I'm exhausted. I don't know how to feel, but I have an assignment that is due very soon, which is Friday, so I need to be done. I don't know why am I speaking so low, but it's probably because I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna finish the assignment with you guys, because the last time I was like, no, finish the assignment with you, and I forgot. So we might as well do it together. I love you all. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Child, it's like a few days later from the time I was doing my assignments, so I still have a few of them, like one. I don't know what's wrong with those lighting today, but we move. Anyways, let me try and do this and put you guys here, because I feel like this is so, I'll do like this. So yeah, what am I saying? So today's a different day. It's a Wednesday and it's probably 5 if I'm not wrong. I'm from school, but child, I'm in my pajamas already. I came back child, anxiety, like, I don't know, but I suffer from a lot of whatever they call it, child. Today it was hell. It was hell, and I just felt like, you know what, I don't want to do this. Even my eyes are not straight. But anyway, so today it's a Wednesday, and I still have schoolwork to do, but I want to cook because I'm hungry, and I still have another assignment to do that I'm submitting. Today it's a Tuesday, child, that I'm submitting tomorrow, but tomorrow I have an online class, so I don't have to wake up that early. So I decided, you know what, since I got like messages on my DMs, not a lot of DMs, child, I'm not that famous, or I'm not that well known on Instagram. I got few messages on WhatsApp, Facebook, or something like that, people asking me about the recipe of that macaroni and what and chicken breasts that I did. So I guess it was good looking, and it was very nice. So I'm gonna cook today. So I was like, child, let me add this again to my vlog, because I feel like I'm lacking a little bit with the vlogging. So let's cook. I'm making something very simple because I have to like be on the little table there and study. So yeah, and I'm also using this for my lips. I'm sure you guys have seen this over and over on my channel. This is the Elizabeth Arden New York 8-hour cream, and it's very good. Yeah, so let's do some wings. And I also want to mix myself a drink, but we'll see, child. Oh, I don't know if this lighting is better, but I feel like it's too dark. Child, let's do this here. Okay. Anyway, even though I'm orange, it's okay. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of my spices, everything I'm gonna mix together. So the first thing I'm gonna use is my salt. I'm gonna use salt anyways. I'm gonna use chicken spice. I'm going to use Raja. I'm gonna use barbecue spice, not aromat. I'm gonna use ground paprika, and I'm gonna use this steakhouse wrap from Simple Truth. Yeah, that's how it looks. I'm also gonna use the Raja, which is that was the medium. This is the mild and spicy, and I'm gonna use the sauce because I want them a little bit hot. I'm gonna use tomato sauce, and yeah, I thought I had sweet chili, but child, I don't have. Why is it not focusing on me? But anyways, guys, let's do this. So guys, everything is well cooked, as you guys can see. The steam is just coming into my camera. Yeah, everything looks good and very tasty. So I just finished with my class and I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna pour myself some wine, even though I have an assignment to do for the first time. Oh, ouch. Ooh. As I was saying before, I don't know what happened. I went to Mr. Price during the weekend, which was the long weekend, and I got this beautiful what is this, a wine glass. So I'm gonna pour myself something to drink. It's so weird that I don't know if you guys can hear me, but let me get some. This is how it looks, guys, and I love it so much. But yeah, I bought two, but before I got to my apartment, one broke. Let me fix my thingy. So my fridge child. So I got this beautiful wine. I don't know what is it. It's called Protea Peanut, whatever they call it. It's 2019, and wine of origin is Western Cape. Wine of South Africa. It's 12.5% of alcohol. I'm not supposed to be drinking alcohol due to the fact that I have schoolwork to do, but you know what, life is too short. I need this right now. I'm not gonna have a lot though. I'm just gonna have not even a glass. I'll probably drink it during the weekend. Okay, cool. Okay, it smells like alcohol, like wine, and I hate the smell of alcohol, but child, my life right now, it needs a drink. So this is much that I'm going to consume for now. And I've put my meat in the oven. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge. So let's do a taste test together. I don't know how I feel about it. Let's do it again. It's okay. It doesn't have a taste. Maybe it's because I'm not used to wines, but anyway, when I have this, probably I'll feel a lot better. So let's unbox my donuts. Krispy Kreme today, ne? But I'm gonna get done with schoolwork, child. I have to get done. I'm probably gonna buy like sweet wines from now on, because people who drink wines have the things. How do you open this door? I miss my boyfriend so much. So much. This is how it looks. Let me just tilt my camera down. Don't mind the mess, child. But this is how it looks. As you guys can see, these are all my favorite donuts from Krispy Kreme. So guys, I'm just gonna relax. Have my wine while I finish off my assignment. I need to be done today. I'm gonna be done. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Let me relax, eat my donuts. I'm not gonna finish all of them. Drink the wines, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.